the high in pollution that is happening in the national capital, yes, GRAP 3 has also been invoked yesterday, and as a result of that also the Delhi Chief Minister Atishi has also put a changed the offline school services to online. But here we are in a very interesting place, and you can see that it's rain that is happening around me. And let me tell you, this is not a natural, but this is artificial. Now the beauty of this very place where I am is DLF Primus Gurugram sector 82, and here if we show you the visuals before we start talking to the president also of the Primus as well, RWA resident Primus. Now here you can see it's raining, and this is artificial rain. This is done by water sprinklers, and also with the help of pipes also that has been introduced. It's a very new concept and a very unique concept that has been introduced. I mean, for me personally, I have seen something like this for the first time in and around the Delhi NCR. Sir, मेरा सवाल पहला यही रहेगा. We are joined by Achal Yadav, who is the president, and you can see it's raining here. Sir, बारिश हो रही है यहाँ, आर्टिफिशियल रेन. ये कॉन्सेप्ट जो है आर्टिफिशियल रेन का, पोल्यूशन बहुत ज़्यादा है, सिवियर कैटेगरी में जा रहा था, ये आइडिया कैसे आया आपको?
आइडिया बस हम नए नए आइडिया लेते रहते हैं अपने रेसिडेंट से, और जो अच्छे लगते हैं उनको हम इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं. जैसे कि ये आइडिया जो है, अभी आप देखेंगे तो अभी 300 प्लस AQI यहाँ पर था, और अभी दिखाएंगे गुप्ता जी हमारे आपको उसमें, तो 238 है अभी. तो नियर अबाउट जो है 65 AQI जो है वो अभी डाउन हुआ है. अभी मोस्ट मिनिमम मतलब 30 मिनट्स की इस रेंज है. तो ये पोल्यूशन के रोकने में बड़ी मददगार है. दूसरा जो है, जो डस्ट पार्टिकल्स जो यहाँ पर हवा में फ्लोट करते रहते हैं, वो डस्ट पार्टिकल सारी बैठने से नीचे, और काफ़ी इम्पैक्ट है इसका जो है पोल्यूशन लेवल पे. दूसरी बात मैं एक और कहूँगा, इसमें पानी की बिल्कुल बर्बादी नहीं है. ज़मीन का पानी ज़मीन के अंदर जाएगा. रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग हमारे पास सारे पिट्स लगे हुए हैं, सारे वर्किंग कंडीशन में हैं. तो जो भी पानी आप देख रहे हैं ग्रीनरी को छूता हुए, वो हमारी कोई भी ऐसी स्टॉर्म वाटर लाइन बाहर नहीं है, कोई ऐसा नाली या कोई ऐसा सीवरेज में पानी नहीं जाता है. ये हमारी रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग पिट है, उसमें पानी जाता है.
सर, मेरा एक और सवाल यही रहेगा, ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है ये फर्स्ट टाइम आपने इंट्रोड्यूस किया है?
जी, ये फर्स्ट टाइम हमने किया है इस साल में, इस पोल्यूशन के दिनों में हमने. और बड़ी खुशी की बात है कि हमको देखकर काफ़ी सोसाइटी के फ़ोन भी हमारे को आए हैं, और अब लगभग जो है 12 से 13 सोसाइटी इम्प्लीमेंट कर रही हैं इसको. और बड़ा जो है अच्छा ये इनिशिएटिव है. और आपके चैनल के माध्यम से मैं कहना चाहूँगा सभी सोसाइटी वालों को कि कृपया अपनी अपनी सोसाइटी में इसको आप लागू करें. बहुत ही सहायक है ये पोल्यूशन को रोकने के लिए.
और ये कितना दिन हुआ है आपने इम्प्लीमेंट किया है, और कितना टाइम आप ये ऑन रखते हो, ये आर्टिफिशियल रेन जो है?
करीब करीब हमारे को ये 8 से 10 दिन हुए हैं अभी, और हम इसको लगभग जो है वो 30 मिनट्स टू 45 मिनट्स जो हम इसको ऑन रखते हैं.
सर, आई ऑल्सो लाइक टू आस्क यू अगेन, it's raining here. It's a crazy scene here.
Yes.
When we see there's a lot of pollution happening, and now here we are experiencing rain, and it feels real as well, according to
It's
us
real,
also.
man.
Yeah. Now he told me about the pollution also that has been curbed
Yes.
because of this initiative that has been done.
Yes.
So what drastic changes have you seen in terms of the air quality index that has drastically dropped down here?
Yeah, see, you have seen the air quality index anyways. The air was totally unbreathable. We have schools which were going totally online. Now what we did was, just before this experiment of artificial rain, we took the real-time location AQI, which was more than 300 plus. Now the moment we started the artificial rain, we took it after 20 minutes. It has dropped down to 238. So like there is an absolute 65 point reduction in the AQI in the area, in the vicinity we are in. So as Achal also mentioned, if all the societies nearby do this, so we can make this to sector 82 and expand it to the whole of Gurgaon. So this is a good initiative, and it will bring, at least make the air breathable for all our kids. You just saw that kids were enjoying in the rain, and we should just continue this effort.
Were you always, since this is a very new concept, I think this is the first time we are seeing something like this, were you always sure of this being work, or you were skeptical about it?
See, nobody is skeptical. We know this gonna work, but how much is gonna work is we were not sure. But we are looking the result last time, and now we want to repeat it, and we'll keep on repeating it till it is bringing good results for us.
Now, when we are seeing that GRAP 3 has also been invoked, schools have also been closed, and in the morning also when we get up, we see, the national capital in and around Delhi. We are waking up with a dense layer of smog also. There's a thick layer of blanket of smog. When you wake up here, because this curbs that thick layer of smog as well, how beneficial it is for you residents also, because there's tons of illness also that happen. You talk about respiratory, asthma, eye irritation. Does it help also when you're implementing something like this?
Yes, it will help. I would not say it is a 100% cure for it. Obviously, we are doing it on an experimental basis. 30 to 40 minutes can last that effect for like a couple of hours. We are experimenting to extend that time and the frequency, and we are sure this will help us to breathe. At least our resident in the vicinity will be experiencing better air quality for sure.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for talking to us. So yes, viewers, you've seen something like this, a very brilliant, rather I must say, an initiative that has been taken, by DLF Primus also, where something like this, which is a very new and a unique initiative also that has been brought by them, that will definitely be beneficial, and it's something which is new also. And to our viewers also who are watching us on television also, it is a reminder for you also to stay safe, to stay healthy, to wear masks as much as you can, because the pollution level is increasing. We have been covering, we are on ground from, you talk about Delhi, you talk about Faridabad, Noida, Gurugram, NCR, in and around, the country as well. And we have been covering how important it is, to curb pollution at this very point of time, where even schools have also been, put into offline mode, rather online mode from offline mode, because of the high-end pollution. But yes, this initiative is definitely something new, and we encourage our viewers also to see something like this, to take inspiration, because this is something which is very new, and we bring to you all the daily updates, all the daily news that you can look forward to. This is me, Brian Anthony Thomas, signing off with camera person Avdesh for NewsX Gurugram.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.